भी यूज करूंगी, हिंदी मातृभाषा है हमारी। तो कहना मैं ये चाहूंगी कि हम लोग अलग अलग माहौल से, अलग अलग स्फेयर से हम लोग आते हैं, जहाँ पर कि हमारी एजुकेशन तो काम आती है, बट हमारी जो वर्च्यूज और वैल्यूज हैं वो सबसे कीमती होते हैं, जो कि हमें आगे ले जाते हैं। तो उसी से रिलेटेड एक स्टोरी जनरली मैं एक यहाँ पर सुनाती हूँ, दैट इज रिगार्डिंग about the thing which takes you higher in your life। तो हम कुछ भी काम करते हैं किसी भी पर्सपेक्टिव से, तो इसीलिए करते हैं कि हम दुनिया में ऊंचे उठे, हमारा नाम हो। तो उसी के रिगार्डिंग है कि once there was a child, तो there was a balloon seller in fact, and when he used to go into the market and he used to see कि उसकी जो सेल्स है वो ड्रॉप हो रही है, यानी कि बच्चे उसकी आवाज सुनते थे और गुब्बारे वाले की आवाज सुनकर बच्चे, आपको अपना बचपन अगर याद आए तो बच्चे जो है वो गुब्बारे लेने आ जाते थे, राइट। अब आजकल तो ऐसा कोई सीन जनरली नहीं दिखता है। तो एग्जैक्टली उस टाइम पे क्या होता था कि गुब्बारे वाला जो है वो एक ट्रिक यूज करता था। वो एक बलून लेता था और उसको हवा में छोड़ देता था। दीज वर द गैसेस बलून। हीलियम गैस होती है क्योंकि बलून में, राइट। तो वो बिकॉज आई थिंक हीलियम इज लाइटर देन एयर, तो वो ऊपर चला जाता है। नाउ सीइंग दैट एंड लिसनिंग टू द वॉइस, तो एक इंडिकेटर होता था कि गुब्बारे वाला आ गया एंड हिज सेल्स यूज्ड टू फ्लेयर अप। नाउ एग्जैक्टली एक दिन एक बच्चा आया और उसने कहा, अंकल मुझे इसमें से जितने भी कलरफुल बलून्स हैं, गिव मी दैट बलून विच गोज टू द फार्दर एक्सटेंट, जो सबसे ऊंचा जाए, सबसे ऊंचा उड़े। नाउ बलून सेलर सेड, इसमें ऐसा कोई भी रंग के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करता कि कौन सा बलून ऊपर जाएगा। तो बलून कौन सा ऊपर जाएगा, तो उसने पूछा फिर आप मुझे कौन सा बलून दोगे। तो बलून वाले ने उसको समझाया दैट डियर दिस इज नॉट द कलर दैट टेक्स द बलून अप, कि मैं आपको ब्लैक दूं या रेड दूं, बट इट इज एक्चुअली द द द थिंग दैट इज इनसाइड द बलून दैट टेक्स इट अप। तो यानी कि जिस बलून में ऑब्वियसली सब में हीलियम ही थी, बट एग्जैक्टली जो ज्यादा ऊपर जाएगा, तो यहाँ कॉन्टेक्स्ट है कि हमारे अंदर क्या है जो हमें ऊपर ले जाता है। सो वी कनेक्ट ओवर हियर द सेम टॉपिक कि हम लोग कितने ज्यादा अपने आप में वेल इक्विप्ड हैं, वेल रिसोर्सफुल हैं, जो कि हम कितने ज्यादा आगे जाते हैं। तो आप लोगों से अगर मैं यहाँ कनेक्ट करते टाइम जवाब मांगूंगी, आप लोग मुझे खुद ही आंसर दीजिए, और मैं आंसर की शुरुआत देवेंद्र अरोड़ा सर से ही करती हूँ कि सर वुड यू प्लीज थ्रो लाइट अपॉन, बिकॉज मैं तो आपके लिए एक स्टूडेंट जैसी ही हूँ, व्हाट शुड बी देयर इनसाइड अस व्हिच वुड टेक अप हायर। हायर इन द सेंस कि कंपटीशन का जमाना है, हायर का मतलब कि हमें आसमान छूना है, हमें लोगों से आगे निकलना है, दो विद अ पॉजिटिव स्पिरिट। तो क्या चीज ऐसी है जो हमें आगे ले जा सकती है?
There is two-word answer: burning desire. I'm repeating.
Burning desire.
Burning desire. See,
Okay, sir.
a
Okay.
plane, rocket. Then you see the number of vehicles are flying in the air, but you see the rocket directly launch them.
Okay. Fine. So यानी कि हमें रॉकेट जैसा बनना पड़ेगा, यानी
So
हमारे
burning
अंदर जो
desire is
डिजायर है,
higher, higher.
that should be,
Burning. That should be.
and burning desire means something related to burning midnight oil also, जो रात में जाग जाग कर पड़ता है। और सेकेंडली मैं कहना चाहूंगी बर्निंग डिजायर एक बच्चों burning midnight oil यूज होता है सर। So exactly, who is working too hard into, making the dream successful. Secondly, Dr. Lalita, I would like to connect to you and I would like to have an answer from your side, ma'am. So what do you think that it could be in us that could take us higher?
One thing I would like to share with Dr. Lalita. She is the youngest principal of India.
Oh, wow. Dr. Lalita, welcome over here on this platform, the youngest principal. So SPA India welcomes you here. Okay, now I could see that who is Dr. Lalita. Right.
Yeah, she is like my younger sister.
Okay. So, Dr. Lalita, can you just tell us if you have heard the story of the balloon seller? So, what is the thing inside us that would take us higher?
See, the main or the most important thing is our quality. That how much we will provide a qualitative thing to others and to us also. First,
It
the
means the
main thing is,
quality of life matters.
yeah, that's it. If we know ourselves, then it means that we can do anything. And I
Yeah,
believe
definitely.
myself that yes, if I can
So,
do in my youngest
yeah,
age that I can become a principal, so everyone can do it. I think so. And
definitely. So, ma'am, you have given a very strong point, knowing ourselves. It means that we need to have self-analysis or introspection for us. In
okay.
management term, we use this kind of thing that we introspect. और उसके लिए sir, if I'm talking right, SWOT analysis use होता है,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. SWOT
Yes.
answers.
Okay.
Strength,
So
weakness.
Ragini ma'am is here. रागिनी मैम ने स्टोरी सुनी होगी तो चेक भी हो रहा है किस किसने सुनी है. रागिनी मैम, कैन यू टेल अस व्हिच टेक्स अस हायर? हमें
And
जो
one
सबसे आगे ले जाता है.
thing is this: this is the intellectual session, not one way, so everyone
Yes.
can participate.
Yeah, definitely. Yes, ma'am. Ragini ma'am, you're
Ragini
not
ma'am is
audible
a,
to us.
yeah, she hasn't unmute herself. That's why.
Okay,
Kindly
Ragini
tell her
ma'am,
to
you're
unmute.
requested to, yeah, you are requested to unmute yourself. आप अपना unmute करिए. You are not audible.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Hello.
yes. Welcome, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Any idea about what makes us go ahead in our life?
Actually, ma'am, please repeat question.
I think you did not hear the story that I just told about the balloon seller. So,
No, ma'am. Actually,
okay, okay. Fine, no
Anyone?
problem. There are other people over here. Kanika Verma, Dr. A. Garg. I can see Galaxy J2 Pro. I can see a beautiful girl over here. If she has heard my story, uh, I don't know by the name. Can anybody else respond me? Dr. A. Garg, I would like to be, I would be pleased to know if you could tell me what takes us higher, what takes us ahead in our lives.
Yeah, can you hear me? Can all of you hear
Yes,
me,
sir.
please?
It's a
Yeah,
very
yeah,
warm.
yeah. Thank you. See, what takes us up is a very good story, I must say. You know, very good example to start with in the right forum and in the right context. Now, what takes us up is, to my mind, is the right attitude. You know,
Very good.
right
I'm saying
attitude.
very good, but means I'm very much younger to you, I must say. But yes, this is the answer that I had been waiting for. That it is our
Yeah, yeah.
attitude that makes us
And
go higher. Because
yeah,
sir, recently that we have faced the suicidal attempt or the suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput, who had
yeah,
been a
yeah,
very prominent actor, a very promising career he had, but
yeah,
exactly
yeah.
that attitude was missing, I can say. May
Yes,
his soul
yes,
rest
yes,
in peace.
yes.
But this attitude is very much important for even a child to a youngster to a youth and
Yeah,
to to the people like us. That
yeah,
keeps
yeah.
us alive.
So I'll
Right.
tell you
Thank you.
something, you know, which
Yes,
all
sir.
of us
Yes, sir.
can remember. You know, see how I remember and how I say that attitude is most important. See, if I think some of
Yes,
you
sir.
may be aware, if you assign, alphabetically from A to Z, suppose you
Okay.
assign 1 to A and 2 to B and 3
Hmm.
to C, and that way, 26 to Z. And if you
Yes.
allot the numbers A, T, T, I, T, U, D, if you sum up those numbers, this number will come out to be 100. That is the
Okay.
beauty of attitude. I hope you could
Hmm.
get it. A means
I could get it. I could get it. It means we
uh,
assign the numbers to the alphabets and
yeah,
then we sum up so
you,
it becomes 100. The total becomes
yeah,
100.
yeah. It is
Yeah.
100. Even the hard work, everything else is less than 100. The attitude
Yes.
is the only one which is 100. So
Yeah.
that
That
shows
we
the
come
importance of
to
the attitude.
definitely, sir. That we come to the conclusion that 100%.
Yeah, yeah,
Come to the point right now to the topic. So it is first of all, as Arora sir said, it is the burning desire that takes us ahead in our life. The quality of life matters, and knowing ourselves, introspecting ourselves. It should be done on a regular basis. It is actually SWOT analysis like strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats that we should be keep working over, and attitude that is 100% required, as Dr. Garg rightly said over here. So summing up all these things, we come to the topic right over here. Basically, the topic for the webinar today is the education entrepreneurs. So I heartily welcome you all again over here to this platform. And let me see what is the strength, because we should not waste time further. People may keep joining in. So basically, first of all, am I audible to you all? Am I
Yes, ma'am.
audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Hello? Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, audible.
Sir, am I?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let us start the topic. So over here, on behalf of ISPA India, like you can see the board behind Dr. Arora, that is SPA India. It means Sports Academy Association of India, for which I think Dr. Arora has carved a niche for himself in the field of sports education. Sir, first of all, I welcome you over here on this platform. You know, being the founding, being the president, the founder president for this particular organization, and which is a copyright, I must say, and secondly, copyright from the Ministry of Human Resource Development. So SPA India actually deals with sports education, where SPA India has been the pioneer in giving the certifications to the people, so that they can build up career in the field of sports education, and they can become entrepreneurs, also promising entrepreneurs. So basically, when we talk about SPA India, let me give you a hint about SPA India. Rest, I think Dr. Arora would be the best person to tell you. So we started in 2015 over here, and 2015 saw the blossoming of SPA India, where the principals, the vice chancellors, the directors, of different institutes, they came up all together to focus on the importance of sports in education. So it became sports education, and SPA India emerged over here as a promising avenue in this particular field. So basically, I must also say that because we are facing COVID-19, we are going through this lockdown or this pandemic, where our total focus is on virtual classes. Our world has limited to the e-world, or you can say on internet we are totally connected, though we are maintaining social distances, but that is something we have not forgotten to socialize. So this is a platform where we connect ourselves and to discuss about the avenues that SPA India can give us, where even though we are working, first of all, I would like to mention two parts. Even though first we are working already, then we can choose this career over here as a part-time job. And secondly, all those people, those who are sitting at home, like the housewives and different people who are not working out of their own choice, and they want to do something, they can join SPA India. They can do some certification programs, and certification programs in different fields also. I must say that certification in sports, physiotherapy, certification in psychology, certification in sports journalism, and certification in sports nutrition and diet management. These are the different arenas where SPA India has, you can say, has come out with a silver lining, where the certification really helps in providing career to the people who want to earn, income, you can say a part-time income, or even they want to make it a major career. So I would be saying that you should give some insight about SPA India a little bit. आपसे शुभारंभ हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
So nice. Thank you, Shweta, because as I know you, you are very good articulator, good speaker, and you are a RJ of one of the channel also. So little bit, I will reveal your specialty. And here I am welcome to all dignified dignitaries. Dr. Rama Mattu, Dr. Rajesh Parekh is with us. Then Kanika Verma, I able to say Mr. A.R. Anand, Sahani, Renuka ji, and many more are academicians, and those are passionate and innovative. So SPA India is a, can say it SPA India is a brainchild of innovative people, because from last 72 years, I said there is so many committees are found to improvement of the academy of India, education of India. But some of the people are think about where our youth have an interest, there we can develop and shape their career, which is very important. So during the career counseling, everybody talk about we have to put up our students into that field where he or she have an interest. But once come back to home after the career counseling seminar, they said, no, your chacha ka beta is go to IIT, your mama ka beta is for the doctor, and forget about that sports, music, art, painting, culture, XYZ, humanities, this one. Just focus on your preparation of IIT or NEET. So this is the pressure from the parent, relative, padosi. They do not have anything about them. So now, from last 2015, I am so lucky. Then we Spa India is so lucky. Then they have a very good people with it, innovative academician with it. Age no bar. The big thing is this: age no bar in this. Even your thinking should be young, whatever your body's age, but your thinking should be young. So after me, you can listen. The other people are here. So here I'm talking about the academic entrepreneur. See, this COVID-19 has changed the culture, work culture of entire world. One thing. Second thing, it's create a big hurdle for some of those are not innovative, and third thing, it's bring a golden opportunity for those think in innovative manner. So creativity, innovative, and dedication, the CID is important right now here. Then we think so many things. We have a power of imagination, but power of imagination can work only when we have a power of implementation. So power of imagination can be converted into power of implementation. Those implemented, they will get a success. Like a very small example, we said that morning walk is good for health. More than 600 crore people knows this, but how many are followers? So simple as that. Don't have an imagination. Those knows everything, but they are not able to implement. They cannot be benefited. Yes, but those able to implement it, they surely get the benefit. So here I am start with the first innovative certificate we started from January 2020. It's a teacher certificate in sports management. Then just recently we did tie up with the Armenia, and Dr. Matu, she was with us there, and some of the others are here. So we have the tie up with the Armenia University, which is set up in 1945. So we tie for the certificate, teacher certificate in sports physiotherapy. We give the name of the international. So government gave us a license and copyright, and they have a give us a capping also. We cannot take a fees much more than this is, because in the foreign country the fees of these courses are more than 10 lakh, 20 lakh. But here in India, then they give us our license and this copyright with some certain conditions. So as they saw us that we all are academician here, so it means we are thinking, we be true thinking for the development of academician, and we love to make them an academic entrepreneur. Now how they can become an academic entrepreneur? So academic entrepreneur, first they associate with the SPA India and they can do the online teacher certificate program. If they have a PCB with them, they can go for the sports physiotherapy also. They are in any other science, they can go for the sports management program. And some of the people have an interest of the sports nutrition and diet management, which is very important to maintain our health. As COVID, they teach us lesson that don't go for the junk food, just always take a fresh food, which is you can, or your mother or sister can make in your in kitchen. So make them the healthy and wealthy, and most important during this pandemic, how we can survive. And the bitter truth is more than 70% schools, institution, industry, organization, they are on the question mark. Are they able to give us salaries? nobody able to give salaries from their savings. Are we survive from our saving? So we have to think on it. At right present, 90% people are surviving with their savings. Only 10% lucky people, they are getting some part of the salary from their organization. So these are the things we have to accept it, and we have to take initiative to learn something more where we can teach entire in the words. Today I heard about the Nalanda University. The Nalanda University was rich with the 90 lakh books. One of the Mughal invader, he fired that university's library, and it took the 2 years to collect their fire. So what we had a very rich history with us. So then now India again become a Vishwaguru, so that all Indian teachers we can start learn this teacher certificate in sports management. Then after this course, you can enroll anybody from anywhere in the world. Spy India have their wings not only in India but also in Nepal, Bangladesh, Armenia, Dubai, UAE, and with the help of all principals, teacher, vice chancellor, it will be slowly. I am using word slowly spread. We don't want to go hyper. We have a vision more than 25 years and more than 100 and 200 years. So the people are associated with us, they are relaxed and they are doing something good. They are set up the very strong foundation. So that teacher who is certified, he or she can make his own batches. And again, I say Spy India is always with them, promote with them, and he will be appointed in the panel of certified teachers. So if he can take the admission of the 4, 5, 6 students from entire in the world, again from entire in the world, then he can make easily to survive, and he can get the good income for his kitchen. I'm talking about kitchen. Kitchen is a very important for every home. I'm not talking about the luxuries. Yes, when pandemic is going from India, from the world, then definitely we can make much more. So teaching certificate program is a very
Yeah.
simple. It's a 3-month program, and this 3-month program, that teacher have to make a PPT presentation and video presentation. We will share him the entire study material. We recommend them online books, because today time we cannot send any hard copy. It is not allowed, because COVID is always give us a red signal. Don't send anything, don't accept any courier. So everything is online. We have available with it. So teacher can make only 2 things, which is she's already doing. Age, not it is not compulsory. That is she's only teacher. Any housewife, any creative, any innovative, and those have a good learner. Those have a good learner, they can shape their life, they can get the benefit from this opportunity. And like if you want to open a school, and Dr. Lalita is with us, she knows the how much investment we need. Aha, aapko jaane nahi dunga. She knows what is the investment of the opening the very simple play school. You need at least 1 crore rupees in your pocket, then you think about it. But this opportunity for the each and every academician, very low investment and long term, you can say it's a ROI, return on income. You return on your investment, you can get the continue, and there is no monthly operational cost, no fixed cost, no rent, no electricity. Just you need your home, you need your laptop with internet facility here. So this is the golden opportunity what we designed with the help of all principal, teachers, vice chancellor, and we are making and we are shaping the employability opportunity for the academician, because now you see that there is so many agitation again by the parents groups. I saw in the Meerut that don't give a fees to the schools. The this online teaching, it's just a drama to getting the fees from us. So many things are going on, and many things only one person are sufferer after doing work 24 hours. I saw so many teachers They are into kitchen, they are on the call with the student, with the parents, and the examination, registration of examination, and many more things they are doing much more in this COVID-19 time. So we all have to think and we all have to implement it. So, Shweta.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, that you just gave a deep insight into SPA programs. One thing I must tell you all that, to have this certification from SPA India, basically two requirements are there, that you need to have a master's degree in any stream, and secondly, you need to be 25 years of age. And
Yes.
one more thing, yeah, one more thing that I would like to mention over here, that since last 5 years, since the year that SPA India bloomed up, we have been organizing the sports fair in Pragati Maidan. And where the countries, you can say the different countries like New Zealand, France, and you can say China even, they have been participating, and the companies come over there, they put up their show, and this has been a good hosting ground. And I think I must say that Dr. Arora gets the credit for this particular sports fair that is being organized over there. Sir, could you just highlight about what is they're all about in the sports fair? Means what kind of opportunities do people get over there? Because in India itself, Meerut is a sports hub, whereas we also talk about different cities also, like Jalandhar also comes into our light when we talk about the sports cities, or the places where we find that the sports industries are prominent. So kindly throw some light on this topic, where we find that sports fair can be helpful to the people, or could generate some kind of career or opportunities for them.
Yes, and we can add Kashmir also because the raw material
Yeah,
of most of the
Willowwood
sports,
cricket bat is
yeah,
very much famous,
yes,
right?
yes. So it's come from Kashmir also. So in sports fair, we organized it from last 5 years. We have association with the Indian Exhibition Services. We have association with the ITPO International Trade Promotion Organization and association with the MSME. MSME provide the facility and subsidy to the exhibitor. Those put up the stall there. So 3 day continued 24 by 7. This exhibition is continued in Pragati Maidan, and everybody knows in the world what is the Pragati Maidan. Pragati Maidan is no need any kind of introduction. It's well known. Not only from this 5 year, it is well known from last 50 year, I think. So then, if it happen in the August, we have fixed the date in last year, 20 to 22nd of August 2020. But fortunately or unfortunately, so we can't commit now this time. It will be going on, and most probably 90% this will not happen. Yeah, but we can conduct it on online platform, so that our companies, our associate, our students, they can be connect with each other. So ultimate is connect. So connect with each other is most important in this word. We said one word: network plus network. The network give us an opportunity, and network give us a sustainability. So two things:
Yeah,
network
definitely.
and network.
Networking is the biggest thing,
Yes. So
right?
we help
So
them, the
basically, there.
students.
Yeah.
Yeah, we help to student, teachers, principal. They come there, and we conduct the conference for sports physiotherapists, sports medicines, sports fitness trainers, and sports principals. So many of people are come there, just like a big kumbh of the sports. We had the name of kumbh. So this is the first big kumbh in Asia. We conduct there, and companies are highly appreciated because Indians are crazy about sports, very crazy. So many sports minister, other minister, some of the players, they have their own interest. They came there then to present their attendance sort of. Then we throw the information to ministry, throw the information to every concern, even in sports export promotion, sports goods export promotion council. And if we talk about the Meerut is considered as a sports capital of India, like Mumbai is considered as a economic capital. So this Meerut is considered as a, and only Meerut is doing the 400 crore rupees export. So India is treated as a king in a sports goods manufacturing. And number two thing, I met with my so many delegates that came in India. They are into sports infrastructure. We need a civil engineer to make a sports stadium. We need an electrical and a telecast engineer for the telecast of the program. And you can see, you take the name of Reebok, Nike, Coca-Cola, Vivo, Pepsi, any big company, they have a special department for the sponsorship of the sports event. And Bollywood comes into this. The corporate world, Reliance, you have an example. It is Neeta Ambani is doing, and she's supporting by heart with the money and everything. So the bright future for the sports person, those are unable to play after age of 30, they can develop the sports people. For every one sports person, we need more than 50 people. Those create an environment for them. So SPA India is working for those 50 people after every one sports person. So if India have a more than 10 lakh sports person, then we need a 50 lakh person to support them, curate them in a various form. Nalita was there. I think some of Ms. Anuradha Verma was there in that fair, so they can share the experiences, how the people are come with full of their heart, and they all are enjoying and see so many companies are there. So, Shweta.
Yes, sir. So basically, SPA India helps an academician to turn into an entrepreneur. And like, I would now compile the gist of my story of balloon seller, that
Yeah.
if you want some extra in your life, some extra innings in your life, where you talk about being an entrepreneur, being your own boss, so that time, that burning desire, that quality of life and introspection and 100% attitude, they can only turn you into an entrepreneur where you take a risk. But there, over here, the return on investment is much more than the risk involved. In fact, there is no risk over here. This is something that you will be doing if you want to do it as work from home, because that culture is developing nowadays. Okay, and secondly, because it doesn't actually limit itself into any boundaries. And secondly, over here, those who want extra income, so just have that certification. A query came from Aisha Mohsin from IMT. Like, she also wants to know the details, like it is only 25 years of age, and any masters, means masters can be MA or MB or whatever, they must be 25 years of age. And any details, sir, that is regarding over here to be forwarded to the people.
Yes, very simple. Minimum age required 25 years and master degree.
Yes. So basically, what I can say is that, when you take the certification program, you come on to the teachers panel of SPA India, where you become a mentor to the people, and your earning starts in that way. And definitely, because sports is, a platform which connects the countries, cross boundaries, and which connects the people, across the world. So over here, India has a bright future, and I can say, or I must admit, that SPA India is doing a beautiful job, where connecting the people, who have this flair to be in the sports, to be in the field, and to connect the sports with education. Right, sir?
Yeah, absolutely right. Absolutely.
Right.
So we are making an yes, Aisha. For example, you are a teacher, 45 plus, have a master degree. You can do this course, and then you able to enroll a student whatever age, even then age of 16 year, 18 year, or maybe he's a 90 year, 90. So they can do that course, certificate in sports management, online certificate course in sports management, where you become their guide, like a guide of your MPhil or like a PhD guide. So how they help to their scholars, same you will help to your students. So somewhere SPA India and collectively this environment will create the awareness about the certificate sports management. So the student can, after completing this course, student can join their jobs in a sports channel. We talk about the sports journalism, sports channels. There's a 150 sports channel in the world. There is a more than 200 plus sports magazine in the world, and there is a more than 2 lakh big companies who are manufacturing the goods in the world. Now we are talking about the world. So this COVID gave us and it spread our area of function is all over the world. Zoom help us, this Google Meet help us. Then so many big companies are creating a platform for each and everyone. Now our investment is shifted to develop infrastructure. We develop infrastructure like an internet infrastructure. Our Minister Nitin Gadkari now start thinking about stop to making a roads and highway, stop to generating the towers. Reliance, some of the big company from France, they invested in Reliance Jio. So it means we are very soon we will enjoy 5G also, and we will enjoy very economical devices because now Make in India, made by India, it's coming, and some of the companies are coming from China. They shifted their plant, and you see Gurgaon in Uttar Pradesh, one of the places, Pradabad, new industrial area developed in Sitgul in Uttarakhand. So plenty of opportunity are coming here because the Chinese, the company from Canada, from America, and from North Korea, South Korea, sorry, South Korea, they are coming in India, and especially they select the place which is cool, like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, which is their first choice. And one is a Japani park is already established in Gurgaon. So Japan offered to 3.2 billion grant to their company, just shifted from China, and you can come here either Thailand, Vietnam, and India. So India is a good friend of Japan. Overall, plenty of opportunities are coming from January 2021. Then plenty of opportunity come if you are ready, if your students are ready, then you can be take a very golden chance from this companies.
So, sir, I can say that, over here to clarify, first of all,
Yeah.
to be a teacher over here, the certification for academician over here, that requires
Yes.
25 years and a master's degree. But when you
Yes.
enroll as an academician entrepreneur over here, as for the certificate program, then the students which the people can enroll under themselves, sir, throw a light
Yes.
on those. Means what means, like you said, the age could be, it could be a class 10th student also, it could
Yes.
be 90 years of age also. It means age is no bar for enrolling any student under
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, it
Under
is just
that
a,
mentor. Under that mentor.
yeah, you would be
That.
the mentor, and the students would be the mentees under you. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
and
Absolutely right.
definitely, sir, I think that promoting sports education out here, turning the academicians into entrepreneurs, and finding out the opportunities, calling the different companies from across the world. I think we are promoting Make in India also. We are
Yes.
getting the
Absolutely.
opportunity right here. So I
Absolutely.
think, yeah, I think that's a great job because recently the advancements have been that we are boycotting the Chinese products. So we are much relying upon ourselves.
Indian is
देर
buying
आया
that
दूर
cap.
शायद.
Indian is buying that cap which is manufactured by China. Boycott China. This is a big fun.
Cap.
Yeah.
Which cap, sir?
That boycott China is cap there.
Okay.
So that cap is
Okay.
manufactured by China and they spread all over in the
Right.
world.
Right. Exactly.
He's a
But we should
businessman.
learn something. Sir, during this COVID-19, I think we should learn something that, देशभक्ति की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो देशभक्ति यही होता है कि अपने देश की हर चीज लो. China has developed itself into, at such a level that everything is actually, country made, is actually China made. The people use the Chinese products, whether it is electronic, whether it is software, whatever they are using. सो दे आर एक्चुअली प्रमोटिंग देमसेल्फ, और वो चीज हमें शायद यहाँ पर नसीहत लेने की जरूरत पड़ती है. और इंडिया के लिए देर आयत और दुरुस्त आयत वाली बात आई थिंक सही होगी यहाँ पर.
Yes. You can take learning from Japan.
या
Japan
डेफिनेटली.
1945, then America is not able to sell a one needle in Japan.
या जापान के लिए कहना सही है कि अमेरिका ने बॉम्ब ड्रॉप्स करे थे, बट एग्जैक्टली आज भी जो अमेरिका है वो उनका सोनी टीवी या जो भी उनका प्रोडक्ट है वो उनके यहाँ पे यूज करता है. पैनासोनिक भी आई थिंक जापान का ही है सर.
Yeah, Panasonic,
या
Honda,
तो
Toyota,
या तो
Japan,
वो सब
Japanese
जापान की
machineries.
चीजें यूज होती हैं अमेरिका में. सो दैट इज समथिंग, साइलेंटली दे आर प्रूविंग देमसेल्व्स मच बेटर देन अमेरिकन्स, कि अमेरिकन्स भी वो यूज करते हैं, और वही चीज इंडिया के लिए होना चाहिए. एग्जैक्टली.
Yes, yes.
Right.
So,
So I can see that people over here, they may be having certain queries about the programs. Anybody can raise a question out here?
share their views. We have
Or, yeah,
good people
definitely.
with us.
The platform is all yours.
Dr.
I
Rajesh
can.
Parekh. Dr. Rajesh Parekh, you wrote something here. Sports
Yeah,
product.
sir.
Yeah, welcome, welcome. I am
Yeah,
muting
good evening,
myself.
sir. And sorry, I'm getting every day your this one, but because of busy schedule today, but I got this topic very much interesting. That's why I let me. So I'm here. So, sir, actually, it's a very important point. Okay, let us make teachers and educators and entrepreneur. And I think sport is the best part of it. As I mentioned, like see, many companies are they are shifting to India, so we can also create sports material manufacturing units. That is also a very important part. So I think if few students who are interested to maybe cricket materials or football or whatever, there are a lot many things are there. So I think production of sports materials are very less in India. So that part also can be added in this skill development, as well as from many years we are together. So I know, and now the mindsets are changed. So now people are interested in these sports events and all these sports what we can say, uh, all the academical sports part. So thank you for inviting us. Thank you, sir.
So nice, Dr. Rajesh Parekh. Happy to see you here. And Dr.
Sir
Rama is
has
here.
given us an insight about Atmanirbhar Bharat के लिए जो
Yeah,
हम काम कर रहे हैं. So
yeah,
that is
already.
very demanding now, right now.
Yeah, definitely. Then everybody goes for this. Already,
Yes.
India has is in the top position manufacturing of sports goods. So now, so many
Okay.
manufacturers from China, they are coming to set up their new plants in India. I said India, Thailand, Vietnam. These are the some countries where the plant shifted from China to these countries.
Sir, I would like to
Okay.
put up a query out here. Aisha has put up a query that her sister is already a master's and she wants to pursue, that certification in physiotherapy.
Okay.
So how accountable would it be?
So she's a master in physiotherapy.
No, she's just a master's. I think she's written over here. You can check in the chat box.
No. If
Yeah,
for
yeah, she's a
sports
master's.
physiotherapy,
Yeah. Aisha, would you tell
master in
in which
which?
stream is she master's? What's her stream in the master's? Okay, she has done her MBA, sir. Very well done. Combination because managerial skills along with physiotherapy.
No. Sports physiotherapy must need that BPT or if it's a 12th should be in a PCB. So there's a one subject anatomy is a very much required in that. So she can go for the sports management program.
Okay, so we offer sports management also. Okay, so
Sports
is
Ma'am,
management
this
is ideal.
excuse
Yeah.
me, ma'am, sorry to interrupt you, sir.
it's okay?
Welcome.
I am just asking that, if you can guide me with something, because right now it's not the time for us to sit back like that.
Yes,
So
yes.
she has already done her master's and she's looking for something. And education, as much as you learn, you keep living up to your efforts you have made for your entire life. So that's why she want to do something. And according to her, like, she has done her MBA and she has done her mass communication as well. So in between, she doesn't want to go into the mass communication because her family background, like, she's married now, and she's willing, because she got married into a business, these doctors family. So they are more into if she'll do something related to physiotherapy or something which can enhance her in any way. So I'm looking for some particular course or anything which can help her out.
Yes. So, but just we need her 12th should be PCB.
Yeah, she has done her 12th with PCB only.
Yeah. Then
Sir,
we can consider.
can I say something?
Yes,
Arora,
yes.
sir, can I say something?
Yeah. Please, welcome.
Yeah. See, ma'am, actually, I'm mentor of change in Atal Innovation Mission, and entrepreneurship is my favorite topic. So what I suggest for her, because she has done mass communication, we can start our spa video channel. Because see, right
Okay.
now we are doing lot many things on Zoom, but if we start a spa video channel and she will help out and she will put some news on that, so automatically she will get some work, and we also can spread our things. So I think right now she can do that. So she can use her all knowledge of mass communication as well as her management. So I think this is my
Okay.
suggestion. Sir, please, Devendra sir, you say.
Yes, yes, she can go for the sports journalism also, and sports journalism she can do with our partner from Armenia. So we have a tie-up with them. If she want to go for the international course, and she want to go for the national course, then both of option for her: sports journalism, sports management, and it is good for
Okay.
her, and plenty of opportunity for the student also. The sports management is a big ocean, and sport physiotherapy, it's a very small river, I can say, because that particular session. So one to one she can do. She start with the sports management program. Then after that,
Okay.
she can go for the sports physiotherapy and sports medicine, sports nutrition and diet management. So sports nutrition, diet management is also she can do. And most important, after the course, she start enroll some of the student. Maybe they are 10th pass, 12th pass, or graduate, postgraduate, whatever they are. So
Okay.
that she can attend, and online classes she can conduct it on 100-hour classes are there, and then officially there is a financially she will be get benefit with it. So this is
And
the
sir,
aim of government also, and moreover, it is a main aim of all SPA India, Sports Academy Association of India, and all people.
exactly. And one last question, sir. And if somebody has done MEd, okay, Masters in Education,
Yeah.
and but without PCB, what can they do ahead
Any,
in any of these things?
yeah, any of this. Only medicine and physiotherapy need if the person have a knowledge of anatomy. There is one big subject in the medical science: anatomy, human anatomy. So human
Okay.
anatomy take always at least 1 year to the learn. And only the student have a skill of PCB, they can easily learn because they are already familiar in their from 6 to 12.
Okay. Like sir,
But sometimes,
me
yes, sir.
myself, I am a student of GNM, and of course we have a subject as anatomy. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah, it's
like
good.
but GNM is a certificate course.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a general nursing and midwifery. So after that also, can I do that?
Yes, yes. After that, during that program, you can do that.
I can do that. Okay, fine, fine.
So
Sir,
you
I'll
do we
take the
become
have a
a,
details.
website dedicated to Spire?
Yeah,
yes,
that's
yes.
the question.
You can
So,
mention, but sometime we love to answer on this type of sessions. It is good because we specially invited on some of the people only here. So one-to-one
Yeah.
people can ask.
Sir, people
ma'am
are
will take the
actually,
details for
Yeah,
the
yeah.
website and
yeah,
everything.
sure, I would help you.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, my question is, are we having the website dedicated to Spy India?
Yeah, yeah. I just mentioned chat box.
Okay, okay, fine.
www. You can see
Okay.
here in my board. SPA India. Just you can type Sports
SpaIndia.in.
Academy. Yes. You
Yeah,
type the sports.
yeah,
This is your SPA India, not mine only.
yeah,
Everyone can go there.
definitely. Sir, one more question that has come to me that, Mr. A.R. Verma is asking for the written information about courses and eligibility criteria.
Yeah, that is always mentioned in the SPA India website.
Okay. I think
Already
that is the best
in the front page.
platform over here
Yes.
that if you
And
have further
directly,
queries, yeah.
directly they can ask.
SPAAINDIA.in is the website where you can log in and you can find out, the information required or at your end, or, the courses which you deem fit for yourself.
In a Google bar, they can type copyright in sports management. Then automatically they landed you in the this website
Yeah.
of SPY.
Sir, one question from my side particularly, because I have been a trainer.
Yeah.
I just want to know, like, does SPA India promote the certification in counseling or, some kind of training for the people?
If it is question from your side, then you start it. We will support you.
Yeah. This is my personal interest. I can say my
Yeah,
player
yeah.
is actually connecting with people.
Some
So
of the sports psychologists are with us.
okay.
So she's from UAE, Dubai, and some are from Delhi. So now I wish to invite this Dr. Rama Mattu is with us and Dr. Kanika Chopra is with us. So they will share because these all are associated with the SPA India, like Brajesh Parekh.
Yeah, good evening, there, sir. Good evening, everybody.
Welcome, welcome.
How
Happy
are
to
you,
see you.
sir?
Good, good.
Thank you so much. I'm not able to switch on my camera because I'm not in the network area. So if I switch on the camera, the audibility will go less. Sikha, I think she was the moderator today. You spoke well about, and your questions and queries were very relevant. But
Thank you so
what
much, ma'am. My name is Shweta.
Shweta, yeah, sorry, Sushweta.
Yes. Yes.
Coming to the career and sports, we need to lay emphasis on one of the most important things which have come into the limelight because you named Sushant Singh Rajput. So we need to, collaborate mental health with all the things
Definitely.
now.
You took my tongue,
Be
ma'am.
it
I was just about to talk about mental awareness.
right. So be it be sports, be it academics. So mental health is the most important thing that is to be prioritized now. So
Definitely.
before, whenever we go for any session, because education and sports, they are parts. They are the sides of the same coin. So both of them go together all through. So now we have to add one more thing, that is mental stability and mental health. So we should always encourage our children to be mentally strong, as it is when it is sports. See, sports has a very beautiful quality that it teaches us to be very cool when we lose on a game, and it teaches us how to celebrate when we win the game. So it is already there. It is already giving us some stability of mind. We don't give up when we lose a game. So that is to be encouraged more and more among the uh, society now, be it teachers, be it children. See, many of the times we are discussing students, many of the times we are discussing the youth of the nation, but at some place I think it's very important for the adults as well. The teachers are also undergoing a trauma. Teachers are also staying back home, and many of the teaching faculty is working more than earlier hours. They used to spend 6 to 8 hours in their working place. Now they are spending more than 10 to 14 hours working, and that too without their salaries. Some of the places they are getting 50%, some of the places they are getting 70%, or some of the places they are not getting anything since months. So now the question is, like, how to utilize this time. Excellent suggestion given by you and Dev sir is that they can utilize time by working for the society, and they can utilize the time by upgrading themselves, doing some certificate courses, which can open the avenues of their like earnings. So this is very important to spread our message that certificate courses, whatever is the criteria, like age 25, most of the teachers are of that age, and if they are masters, they can upgrade their I mean, they can upgrade themselves doing any certificate course from SPA, so that they go into vast area of academics and sports at the same time. So this is what I felt should be conveyed at this platform, because you have many students with you, you have many teachers and principals with you. So we should spread this message across. तो थैंक यू देव सर, हमेशा ये आप हमेशा एक मौका देते हैं अपनी बात एक आगे पहुंचाने का. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस.
You always deserve for this because we learn too many things from you also.
नहीं सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
So nice, so nice. Dr. Kanika Chopra. Kanika ji.
Yeah, very good evening, everyone. Thank you, Dev sir. Thank you, Shweta, for being a excellent speaker And it's great hearing Dev sir, and today Shweta, you have also given a good thought. I was just listening to Dev sir about how we can plan our career in this and what's going to be our career plan after sports management. So, as very correctly said by Dr. Rama, that it is very important to work on our social skills and our emotional skills at this point of time, because it's not just about IQ; it's about SQ and EQ, which need to be planned with our students and for us also. Because till the time we are not at ease, we cannot give that kind of relaxation to anybody. And sports is the best remedy to do that, because when I talk about the other aspects, other platforms, you might not get connected to it very quickly. Sports is something which we have been doing from our childhood and even till today. If I'm a mother of a girls, and if I get a time, I just want to play a badminton with them, or I just get connected to them in terms of doing some kind of physical exercises, or maybe the table tennis. So that gives us a bonding, that gives us a way we can together spend time, and that increases their SQs and their EQs also. So it is the time when we need to give sports a priority, not just for our physical fitness, but for our mental and social and emotional fitness as well. So, since I'm taking care of nutrition and diet in sports management, so I've been working continuously on this part to ensure that, we get to the core of it, to understand that how important it is to have a good and nutritious food. It's not about dieting, because dieting is just for maintaining yourself, but nutrition is to be healthy. So it is important that we stay healthy. There are certain diets which are contributing to our mental health and to physical health both. So I'm going to explain all those things in our next webinar, which is being scheduled for Tuesday. As Dev sir has given me the opportunity and a platform to speak to everyone about that in detail. So I'm definitely going to share all those aspects there. But yes, there are so many opportunities available related to our sports management. And this is the right platform. This is the right time that we should utilize our time to work ahead and to plan our career in a different way. Thank you so much, Dev sir, for this opportunity. And I always say that it's been great interacting with people who are eminent dignitaries and professionals in their own field. It's my pleasure completely. Thank you so very much.
Yeah, so Anuradha Verma, would you like to share something? Then Dr. Lalita, you will share.
Sorry
Actually,
to
good
interrupt, sir. I
afternoon.
have certain queries in private. So they have been mentioned. So shall I come up with those?
Just till then Dr. Anuradha will share some
Yeah,
views,
sure,
and
sure. After
till then I will.
Anuradha ma'am, we will take up certain queries.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everybody. Actually, those are my queries who Shweta ma'am is going to put forward in front of you. Kindly
Yeah.
first listen to her, sir.
Okay. Yeah, please.
So I
Okay.
got the queries like, basically I think that people are trying to connect with the sports education, but exactly there has been some confusion or deliberation about, who are in job. This question is like, first of all, that can a student from law background join this course particularly, so that they can earn some extra perks, and moreover, who are already doing some job. Okay, and those who are teaching physical education in schools, so they can be upgraded in this way, so that is
Yes.
fine. They can help them to to be to make themselves better in terms of earning and developing themselves.
Yes, yes. If I talk about the law student, then he can become a lawyer of the sports person. Or sometimes there's a big issue between endorsee of the companies which take the sports person as a brand ambassador, and they have to maintain their all legal aspects. So sports lawyer is also big requirement worldwide. Some of the time big insurance companies, they did insurance of the knees of the footballer. You heard about that? 100 crore rupees insurance, 200 crore rupees insurance. So these all things display with the help of the sports lawyer. And one
So,
more thing,
uh,
second part they asked me, if anybody
yes, sir.
works in any industry, so he or she can do this job, he can do this course also, and again, same he can earn money with the help of the delivering the online classes to the student.
So sir, basically, we sum up to such point like masters की आपने बात करी. Suppose MBA करे हुए कोई इंसान है, तो वो क्या सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट ही अंडरटेक कर सकता है कोर्स? क्यों ना वो फिजियोथेरेपी को अंडरटेक करे?
नहीं, फिजियोथेरेपी का मैंने बताया ना कि एनाटॉमी की नॉलेज होनी बहुत जरूरी है.
Okay, and in the same way, right, and in the same way, a student of mass communication would do good in sports journalism certification.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Okay, so there has to be a connectivity.
Yeah, we can talk about the worldwide now, employability, worldwide employability. So COVID gave us an opportunity. Think worldwide.
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, over to you, ma'am.
Actually, Dev sir, some of the persons have just approached me by telling that we have already done the MPPH and we are just teaching in as a PhD teachers in 11 and 12th standards in education institutionals. So, by doing any course from SPA India, would it be helpful for them in education institutions?
Yes. They can be become. I said now already said they can become an online teacher. So first they check themselves. Can they deliver the lecture online? Can they help the student for project making, budgeting? So this is very important because some of time the physical education teacher happy to work in a ground only. He said I can throw a whistle and run right, left. So he or she have to change that mindset. Now he have to work smart, work in an office, because it's a bitter truth. The starting of sports playing, it's not easy. At least 2 to 3 years. So many times, Sports Authority of India, so many ministers, they promised, yes, we will open the all center of Sai. But once this comes a time of June, they said, no, we can't take a risk. If you want risk, they make a big guideline. They share the sports guideline with me, how a person can do practice in a Sai center. So that guideline is not easy to follow for the person. So now it is by force or by will. They have to come into the under the roof where they can be a coach of the table tennis, because that's under the roof. Social distancing is there. Badminton, social distancing is there. So football, wrestling, kabaddi, judo, this cannot be acceptable by any parent, by any player, or by the country cannot afford to lose their good players.
Sir, one more query was there. Like some persons say, like if we are not from this sports background, but we have done masters, we have done MPhils. If we do any course from SPA India, will it be helpful? Will it be helpful by giving us the all material regarding the different type of online coaching? If we want to give the coaching, because we are very well in the language and vocabularies, we can understand the things very well. Can they be able to give the online? Can they be able to take the online sessions?
Yeah, they can take that. Sports communication is the one more subject is there. So they can develop and they can deliver. But first they have to do the certificate course.
That is what they are saying. Only by doing certificate course, they can be eligible for giving the online sessions.
Because they have a minds of knowledge themselves, so they can deliver. I have my good friend Manish Mishra with me.
Thank you,
Happy to see you, Mr. Manish Mishra. Please open your mic. I love to hear. He is a chief coordinator of the Sankalp. That's a Ministry of Skill, and he is roaming worldwide, training more than 50,000 plus trainers in last 10 years. So he's a founder member who introduced the Aadhaar card. Everybody knows and using the Aadhaar card. Welcome, Manish Mishra. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Open a video also, please. We love to see you.
I'm really low on bandwidth, and I am not in shape that you would like to see me on camera.
Oh my God! You are in swimming pool. yeah. Please.
Yeah. And thanks for that generous introduction. I'm really humbled. And nice. I am sorry I couldn't join early. I just joined about say 15-20 minutes. And I was going through all the conversations. I think it's very enriching, and the way you are taking sports management to ordinary masses and also to academia and institutions. I think this is fabulous job that you're doing, and country country actually needs more and more sports professionals, and one always used to wonder as to where would they come from. But thanks for creating this mechanism through which a strong feeder for professionals can be created who can go on to serve sports in different capacities. So thank you very much, and all my best wishes. And I would be more than willing to offer any help, any support that
yes.
is
So
within
come
my...
on the next webinar. I will share with you. That is Mrs. Asia Universe and Kanika Chopra from Delhi. Mrs.
Okay.
Asia Universe from Mumbai. So that is very good on 23rd. So the topic of that webinar is Fit Women Can Create a Fit Nation. That
Sure.
is also very
That
yeah,
really,
Lalita. Yes, please. Yes, please,
really
Ganesh.
sounds very good. And yeah, sure. I'll try and make sure that I'm there.
Most welcome. Most welcome. Yeah, Dr. Lalita.
Yes, a very good evening to one and all my dear friends. And I'm listening from the beginning, from the balloon story, and everything was going on really well, actually. And about the Spa India, I would like to say only one thing, that the biggest initiative or incentive for a person to adopt any game is that should be seen throughout his life. It should give him employment, job satisfaction, and recognition. And the Spa India is doing that thing very properly. So my best wishes are with Spa India always. And as a part of Spa India, I feel very honored and I feel very happy to share all these things with you all. That Spa India will grow rich, very rich, and on a very high. So sky is the only limit for Spa India, I think. Thank you so much.
So nice of you. Before sign out, anyone want to share? Dr. Shipal Singh is with us. He's a director principal of the very big. Yeah. So Dr. Shipal Singh is with us. He's a director of the Diwan Institute of Education. He nourished and he gave us teachers. He's a principal of B.Ed College from last 20 years, and in the day of 28th and 29th, I think Saturday, Sunday and Monday. Sunday and Monday of 28th, 29th, he is organizing the international conference in which I am very happy he invited me as one of the speaker, speaking on the whatever they ordered us. Huh? So Dr. Shipal Singh, would you like to share something?
Sir, sorry to interrupt. Sir has already given a feedback that it's an excellent session going on.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
So nice. Right. So time for sign out. Then welcome on 23rd. Again, everyone.
Ma'am, one last thing I asked was that any specific person whom I can contact regarding the queries.
So, definitely, you know, I am one-stop solution to you people at IMT.
Definitely.
Right.
Undoubtedly.
So basically, because I'm very well connected with Arora sir, so whatever queries you have, I can forward, you know, those queries to him. And
Okay,
anyone over here interested for any sort of, you know, certification over here, any kind of inquiry, you can log into www.spaindia.in. And it was nice having you all over here on this platform. So I can say that, you know, that internet has given us a very live platform, I can say. You know, इसमें भी जिंदगी डाल दी है इंटरनेट ने, right? Like we are connected.
दूरियां खत्म कर दी हैं. There are so many from far and near.
दूरियां जो है वो एक, sir, I can say it is an abstract, you know, condition now कि दूरियां महसूस होती हैं. So that's a, you know, an abstract thing I can say. And basically, I would like to wind up the session by saying that, you know, it is the physical and mental absorption of an individual into the field of sports, where, you know, या तो आप मैदान में रहो या मैदान के बाहर भी रहो, तो exactly अगर आप sports से जुड़े हो, तो आपका, you know, 100% यहाँ पर चाहिए होता है. That is your 100% attitude. So it is not only, you know, that we talk about earning some extra perks, but it is also about, you know, devoting yourself to such a field where, you know, your 100%, you know, you can say activeness is mandatory. So that I can say. And over to Arora sir to just, you know, say some words at the end.
Yeah. Yeah, so it is a beginning now. Thank you everyone. And Dr. Manish, I will love to listen you. So just spare your time, be a speaker on this. And you have a wide knowledge about the Skill India. So just share your experience with all of us. Then Dr. Matu and Radha, then plenty of people are with us. So once again, thank you very much everyone. And Shweta, you did this a very wonderful program. Thank you so much to
Thank you
you
so much, sir.
also.
Thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
I'm
Thank you
always
so
there.
very much.
Yeah.
Thanks
Thank you so much, everyone.
So within
Bye
30
bye.
minutes, everybody got the video recording of the session. Stay tuned. All right.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you,
Dr.
everyone, once again.
Yeah, Dr. Rajesh Parekh, love to listen you also. Dr. Lalita, anyone can connect.
Thank you, sir.
Share your views on this. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Kanika. Thank you so much. Thank you, Aisha.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Bye
much,
bye,
Aisha.
sir. So all
Thank
of
you,
you stay
sir.
safe, stay healthy.
Yeah.
Same to you, ma'am. Same to you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.